Welcome to All That Glitters with Kiara. This week, we're going to be diving into my recent thrift store experience. Sad news about this thrift adventure was that one of the local thrift stores I go to is unfortunately closing down. But they had a really great closing sale that I'm going to hit up again. This time I only had 10 minutes, just 10 minutes while my husband was grocery shopping, and I picked up 3 bags of amazing items. I'm going to go through those 3 bags with you and show you what I got, why I picked the items I picked, and what the average cost per item was. Let's get started. First item. I picked up this Jessica Simpson bag. Although it's not the most expensive handbag brand, I picked it up because it did have tags on it still. And anything in like new condition that has tags, you're gonna wanna pick up because you can sell it for close to market value. This was priced at $58, so I'm gonna try and sell it in the $30 to $40 range. I only paid $2 for this. I also picked up this Betsey Johnson bag. Betsey Johnson's all the rage on Poshmark right now. I love this bag because it has the cute bow on the back and it also has the Betsey Johnson logo. But my favorite thing about this bag is the cool interior print. This bag is basically new, there's no wear on it, and these bags usually sell for about $100, brand new. So I did pick this up, I paid $4 for this, and I'm gonna try and sell it for the $40 to $50 range. Another item I picked up is this Michael Kors beanie. Everybody loves Michael Kors, and this is perfect for anybody who's going on ski trips. These sell for about $40 brand new. This one's barely worn, so I'm gonna try to sell this for $20, and I paid $3 for this. When you have a limited amount of time, you go in and you look for brands that you know, and you look for items that are in great condition. I call this blitzing. You go in and look at things that stand out to you, bright, bold colors, great patterns, and then you grab what you think will immediately sell. So I only grabbed things that I did not take a risk on. These Sam Edelman platform heels. Sam Edelman is a great brand for shoes. These shoes still had the remnants of the tag on them, so you could tell they hadn't been worn much. I paid $6 for these shoes, and I'm gonna try and sell them for about $60. Another one of my favorite items that I picked up this weekend at the thrift store were these almost mint condition Coach sandals. As you can see by the soles, these were probably worn once or twice. They still have the tag on them again, and you can clearly see everything on the bottom, the logo, the size, nothing is scuffed. And my favorite detail on these is this gold logo on the front. I spent $6 on these and I'm going to sell them for $40. Bag number 2. Another item I picked up is this really, really sparkly prom dress. I'm a sucker for prom dresses. It's my favorite thing to buy. And I know they take up a lot of room in inventory, but they're just so pretty. This one has a complete jewel encrusted bodice. I couldn't pass it up. So after their sale they were running, I got this dress for $11. It's not a brand that I'm super familiar with, it's called Sparkle. But the fact that this is this cool, especially with all this ruffle detail on the bottom, and that it's a high-low dress, I think that I could sell this above $50. I mean, I would personally buy it for $50, wouldn't you? Bag number 3. Another prom dress. I told you I'm a sucker for these. This one, again, so sparkly. How could you pass this up? After the sale, this dress was $7. One last item I got from the sale are these super cute Nike dry fit shorts. I'm gonna try and sell these from the $15 to $20 range, and I paid $1.50 for these. So I know a lot of people feel overwhelmed when they have to think about thrifting and sourcing products for their pages. I know I did it first, but as I proved here, you don't have to spend a lot of time. In 10 minutes, I got all of this stuff, and I'm gonna turn this into a huge profit. Of course, it takes time to take photos and list them, but really, who can beat $6 Coach shoes? You're gonna sell it for so much more. You only need to spend 10 minutes to make a good profit if you know what you're looking for. That's all for me this week. I hope that I taught you guys that you don't need to spend a lot of time to make money thrifting. All you really need is 10 minutes and a good eye. Make sure to support your local thrift stores and shop local, because if you don't, unfortunately more things like this will happen and a lot of thrift stores will start going out of business. And that's the backbone of recycling people's style. And recycling your style is good for the environment. Thank you for watching my video. If you really loved it, make sure you hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, please drop them below and I'll get back to you.